Let's take a look at ETC. Okay, this is one that's ran up as well. We're kind of in harvesting season. This one looks like it wants to print a red dot this week. Okay, this thing had a massive run up. Look at that volume that came in there, folks. That's smart money. Once again, loading their bags. This is in the grayscale portfolio as well. So if you can buy this thing down at $20, okay, we're also going to get an opportunity to buy this thing as well. Look at that. We're way down here in dollar cost average territory on the daily. I think it could come down maybe around here to 27. That could be the absolute bottom, but the true support, this is the weekly support. That's going to be $20. So if you get it anywhere in this range from down here, from 30 down here to, I don't know, 20, you're getting into a good spot. Okay. And we're going to put the target actually right here now. So that's the demand zone for big money, right? That's where big money's starting to step in. Again, we're going sideways like we did over here in 2020, right before the massive run up. We're selling up here, folks. We're not selling down here in this range. Okay. Get ready to get the truck on ETC. I think this one's going to be a good one to buy once we get that green dot confirmation on the daily chart. Again, do we have a red? No, not yet, but it looks like it wants to come. Let's take a look at Flow. Flow has a red dot flashing as well. So this one's going in the red list. But again, that true support is $4.39. If it breaks that, yes, all bets are off. But right now we're down here in dollar cost average territory. Again, still above a crucial support level, folks. We've bounced here, we've bounced here, and we've bounced here. I think another bounce is going to come here again in the next 3 to 5 days. I think we see the bottom of the market by Sunday, and that's what we'll be paying attention to right here and keeping you guys updated on. Let's take a look at BNB. BNB now still has true support down here at about 345. About 345. That was the takeoff phase, right? That we're talking about here. Boom, we took off, and now we're pulling back here. We're getting that first sell-off. We're getting that bear trap where everyone thinks we're going into a crypto winter or something crazy is going to happen, right? I think we find support somewhere between 345 and 325 on BNB. Again, I'd be a buyer on the next daily green dot on the chart here, but this one has to go ahead and go over. Actually, it's staying in the green because it still has a green dot. So these ones all still have greens. Again, I think some of them will probably print by the end of the week if we continue to get this sell-off here. And near tokens in harvest season now, folks. We had a double top go in here. I'd be careful on this one. This is one I'd be a seller of. Okay, I'd be selling my position on near token because we put in a double top here. We actually didn't even quite put in a double top. We put in a lower high and then we sold off. So I'm taking profits on near token somewhere up in this range because I think we can get it closer down here, maybe to 7 one day or a little cheaper. On the daily right now, we're still in harvest season as well. So I would not be looking to add to this at all. I'd be looking to maybe take profits here. And again, buy when this blue wave comes all the way back down here and gives you a green dot again on the weekly too, right? I've been thinking about selling, right? I've been thinking about selling. Yes, we could probably bounce higher and go to 20. It's possible. But with the way the market looks right now and that big sell volume that you see right there, like that's scary from last week, right? We came up here and then we sold off. So again, looking to buy down here, right? If you would have bought the green dot down here on the weekly chart back here in July of 21, you would have bought at 164. Boom. There's a about 1,500% gain for you. 1,500%. Okay. I'm not, when I'm getting those kind of gains, I'm not worried about these 6 to 7% drops. But with the indicators this far up here on the weekly, right, I start to look to sell. And I look for signs of a red dot. It doesn't look like it wants to come this week. It has to break 14. I think if it broke 14 or even its support level there at about 1436, that's maybe where you set your stop loss. And if it breaks that, maybe exit your position. Because again, this thing doesn't have true support down here at about $7.29. So that's where I'd be looking to buy again. We're in harvesting season on the weekly and the daily. I'd be a seller at these levels. Again, no red dot though, but be careful on that one. DOGECOIN. Again, still range bound, folks. Still just going sideways here, right? We had the little pump from Elon Musk, right? It could have been a first takeoff phase, right? Could have been a takeoff phase here. I'm looking for 10 cents on DOGECOIN if you want to enter. Okay. It's about 30% drop from where it's at right now. And I don't know what's going to happen. The daily chart's still in harvesting season, right? We had this pump up. We had all that money pump in from retail because they're excited about whatever's going to happen with Twitter or whatever the case, right? I'm waiting for this thing to come back down here and give me a green dot. That's when I'm going to look to enter on DOGECOIN. We're just not there yet on the indicator.